Why is the Instagram Explore page not working? I am going to show you how you can easily fix the Instagram Explore page not loading. First, you need to open your Instagram application. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. In your profile, you will see 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on these lines to open the menu. Inside the menu, look for the option labeled Search History and tap on it. To resolve the issue, you need to clear your search history. Look for the option to clear all searches and tap on it. Confirm if prompted. After clearing your search history, go back to the Instagram settings by tapping on the back button or the settings option in the menu. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on the option labeled Your Activity. Tap on the like option to view the posts you have previously liked on Instagram. If you want to unlike a post, tap on it to open it. Then tap on the heart button to remove your like. Continue this process. Unlike posts until you have removed likes from the ones you want. To refine your Explore page, tap on the 3 dots on any post in your Explore feed. From the options that appear, select Not Interested to indicate that you don't want to see similar content in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with the Instagram Explore page not loading and customize your Explore feed to show content that interests you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.